Hello everybody. There is a Lake Hodges in Encinitas, so we're going there to see what's up, and if they have a little boats we can rent it, and I'll show you what I'm doing there. Oh, by the way, that's the lake right there. Alright, so we got here, we're gonna get a motorboat for a few hours and sail it. That's pretty awesome. I've never tried the motorboat before, and it's gonna be an interesting experience. Alright, so one of those things gonna be ours. We could take this one, but I've tried it before. I didn't even know there's an option to ride the boat with a motor. Alright, we're here on the boat. So you use this thing for throttle. If you want to go to neutral, you're gonna go in the middle, and then it basically just floats. This is super cool. Like, you can feel yourself like on a motorcycle, so you just use the throttle and it spins up. Woo! And then you steer left and right, so you can just, it's really comfortable as soon as you get a hold of it. So I decided to try this emergency things. If the motor doesn't work anymore, we can use this potentially to steer back home. It reminds me like in a gym, those things. I mean, little by little we will get home, or whatever we need to get. But it's such a pain in the ass. It's really quite a big boat, and we have a motor. So then I'm gonna start up here and grab the motor. Alright. I put this down. It comes out really easily. So you just take this whole thing from this thing. We're gonna keep using the motor. I just wanna try it and see how it is. It's pretty fun. Look at that guy. It was fun. Oh, by the way, it was like $35 per 2 hours. If you want to do a full day, it's gonna be $75. You can come here like at 6 in the morning and stay up until 5:30 or 6 p.m. and just pay $75. I'll be back here. I need to bring some more people, tent, so we could have a good overnight stay. That would be cool. Found here a place to sit. There's chairs and grill places. So let me show you a little grilling area. Tammy right there. We got a few sandwiches. And look at this view. Wow.
Onion.
This is one of the best things about traveling, when you can sit surrounded by nature and eat them. It tastes and everything has become really uplifted, and it feels like you're more hungry than you actually are.
Everybody loves food, but when they're full, don't eat anymore.
So that was a really fun day. I'll definitely do it again. Well, next time we have to bring somebody else, so we could. There's like, you can see 4 or 5 people in the boat. It'll be so much fun. Jump from the boat, swimming and do crazy stuff. Next time will be crazy. Dennis, my neighbor, he told me about this place. So I decided to check it out. Alright guys, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.